We're right on the river. We're just walking around and kind of seeing how different things look. We're talking about artists who will like set up in some of these galleries and try and sell their work. They'll have to just move to a different gallery or find somewhere else to go. Business owners will have to just find a new space.
The coffee shop's back open, the bar's back open, both bars are back open. But I mean, there's still a lot of stuff that needs to come back, like the courthouse. I don't think the courthouse has even gotten started on yet. It was unthinkable for a town like this, where this is, to be destroyed by a hurricane, but like come together. You'd be surprised at what a small mountain community can do, what any community can do.
It's not near as pretty as it was, but they have done a lot of work on it, what it was. They still need to be a lot more. They just don't have the funds. And a lot of the kids, the playground's gone, and our local kids don't have any place close to play. That's hard on them.
What we had before was something called Kids Mountain, and it was 20 years old. It had to come down. And the number of people has tripled since they put up the new park. I've been down the slides myself, and it's first class.
The biggest thing is don't forget about us. You know, you look and it's just like everybody's kind of on their own now. You know, it's kind of like the funds ran out, this ran out, that ran out. And, you know, I understand that, but there's still a lot of places. We got years of work that still needs to be done here.
There's been a lot of restoration, a lot of help, and we need a lot more help, actually. What I feel right now, thinking about the anniversary, is gratitude, and gratitude for this beautiful area that it is going to heal and it is going to be restored.